Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here to do a small PR haul. So this is like the most I've ever gotten in about a month, and I was away for like a week and a half. I was in New York. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, you'll know. So I haven't really gotten PR as much lately, only because I haven't really been reaching out to companies, or they just haven't reached out to me. I just want to let you know right now that I am very grateful of the things that I receive. It doesn't matter what company it is. I'm just very grateful that they even think about wanting to send me anything for me to review, or just to try out, or them just being nice because they see my videos and what I post. So I'm very, very grateful for each and every company that sends me anything from their brand. Also, I want to put out that I'm not doing this to brag or anything in that sort. This is just to show you guys what I've accomplished to even receive anything from a company, and I'm just really happy that they even want to send me stuff. So I'm really excited of the stuff that I received, and you're gonna be seeing a lot of this starting in my eye videos and posts on my Instagram for these. These are just because I want to post it. They send me things because, you know, we have a relationship and they want me to try out some of their stuff. So I'm gonna jump right into it. The first package is from Anna, and she has her own jewelry line. So I'm really excited to see what she sent me, because I've been waiting and I've been looking at her jewelry for a couple of weeks now, and I'm just so excited of what she's launching. So I did receive a letter from her, and let me read it real quick. Thank you, Anna. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Look at this packaging. So cute, right? I'm definitely keeping this. So let me see what she sent me. Okay, so these are the two earrings she sent me. Oh my gosh, they are so gorgeous. Oh, I love them. Oh my gosh. And then like it says her information on the back. So that's how it looks. If you hear the lens kind of doing like the that's because it's a brand new lens and I'm trying it out. So don't mind the noise if you do hear it. I hope you don't hear it, because I have the mic down here instead of up there. You would definitely have heard it more if I had the mic up there. But anyway, so yeah, thank you so much, Anna, for these. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, like super elegant looking. Like these are up my alley. Thank you so much, Anna. So I'm gonna show you guys her name on here, and you can definitely check out her site. She has many different earrings, jewelry that I've seen. I'm definitely going to be picking some up myself. So thank you so much, Anna, for these. The next package I got is from Pinch Me, and this is how the box looks. This is the influencer VIP box. So the consumer wouldn't get a box this big. I don't think so. But these are really great for trying out any type of brand and any type of products that they send, and it's just in a box. So I'm definitely going to be doing a separate video for this, so stay tuned for that. I can't wait to see what's in here. So the next package is from Royal Formula, and they sent over their shampoo and conditioner. This is their professional series Argan oil shampoo for all hair types, infused with biotin and hydrolyzed silk. And so I'm definitely going to be doing a video and a review on these, because as you guys see, my hair is straight. I mean, it's been almost 2 weeks since I have my hair straight, but I'm definitely ready to wash my hair, go back to curly, because this was only just for me to go to New York and not really deal with the heat. So the next brand that sent over a package to me is from All for Hobbies, and basically they sell a lot of bags and other accessories on their website, and they sent over their makeup bag that you can basically pack really fast if you're traveling. So this is how it looks, and then when you open it, it's like this, right? But you can close it up from here. Well, I'm not going to show you entirely. I'm going to do a whole separate video, but basically you close it up and it's like ready to go. Next package, I got this today before filming. This is from City Color Cosmetics. I love this brand. I'm so excited to see what's in here. This is their PR box, and it says, "Hey City Babe." And this is what it looks like inside. It's so crazy, right? Ooh, I don't want the box to break. Okay, so this is like a bunch of their new stuff, so I'm gonna go through these pretty quickly. So they sent over some lipstick tubes. These are the City Color Blooming Kisses lipstick, and they are super pretty, especially for the summertime. So I am gonna be doing a lip swatch video on these. They also sent over the Balm.com moisturizing lip tint, and it came with 4 balm right there, and it has like this little shade right in the middle. Ooh, that's pretty. It does give you like a nice tint. Also received a glazing lip oil. It's pretty. I love the applicator, so pretty. It smells, doesn't have like a strong scent, but it's not sweet. Look at that. They also sent over some mist. This is the Cool Me Mist. It soothes and replenishes cool sensation. I like the sound of that. And this one, I've been looking at this on their site and also on their Instagram stories. This is the Hydrate Me Primer, paraben free, and it's vegan. So that's how it looks. I also received these Stargazing body and hair glitter, high shine, non-sticky. So this is how it looks, and that's the shades right there. So it comes with this little seal, and that's how the product looks. I've never really tried these before. Ooh, that is like, okay, see? So yeah, you can put this on the body. And they also sent over 3 blushes. These are their new ones because I do have their Be Matte one. I really love the formula of that. I'm assuming this is like a shimmery blush. Oh, I like the way that feels. So that's it right there. This one is the A Glow We Go Blush Trio. So I thought this was a highlighter, but let's see how this swatches. So this is how it looks, and when you open it, I really love the design of those. So that's those right there. Be Luster eyeshadow palettes. I really love this shade, like this palette right here. This is the Birds of Paradise, and this is how it looks. Okay, I only swatched 4, but look. That's so pretty, right? You see it right there? Chocolate Ochres. This is a shade that broke, which I'm sad about because it's super pretty. And then this last one is Lotus. Super colorful. They sent over their new Be Matte lip liners, and this is how they look. Well, this one is not, but these are. So there's 6 of them that they sent over, and they have like different types of variations, like some orange, some red, some pinks. And let me swatch one. I want to swatch this one right here. It's very pointy, which is good. And it's retractable. Ooh, that is a nice shade. And it is matte. I also received this Bold Lippie satin finish pencils. Like, they're like lipsticks. And yeah, they're lipsticks. And this is how they look, all the shades. This one is the Love Me Eyeliner, and it's smudger and sharpener in one. Okay, so there goes a smudger right there at the end. So you take the eyeliner, and then after you apply, you smudge the eyeliner if you want to. That's the eyeliner right there. and I'm gonna swatch it right here. So that's the swatch right there. My tip broke because I'm so heavy-handed, but it's black. Like, I like that. It's not a black, it's not jet, like super black. I've seen super black eyeliners. This one is like just black, like jet black. These are their new stuff. This is their Be Bold Brow Precision Tip Brow Pencils, and they sent over 3 shades. So I got the shades. This one is dark brown, medium brown, and espresso. The fact that they sent these over is pretty cool. Like, I bought their new concealers and their brow pencil. These are the shades right here. So this side is in the shade medium brown. Then the one in the middle is in the shade espresso. And then the one on my left is in the shade dark brown. Oh, I'm missing one. So this one's in the shade light brown. I didn't even see this in the box, so I'm gonna swatch it for you. Oh yeah, this is more for like, I don't know if it's not swatchy. Okay, so that's light brown right there. I try to swatch it here, but that's because I wiped off right there, so now it's like uneasy to draw on it, but that's light brown right there of the eyebrow pencil. Okay, so the last 2 products that is in the box are these 2 palettes. This one is the I call it Playa 18 color eyeshadow palette, and it has 18 matte and shimmer colors. So this is how it looks. And let me remove the plastic, which is nice that it has a plastic, but these are the shades right here. That looks so fun to play around with. Let me swatch them right now. That looks really good. Oh my gosh, let me swatch. You know, I'm gonna swatch this blue one right here. That's so pretty. I wanna swatch Sea Foam. Ooh. Okay, let me swatch Malibu. Ooh, that is really pigmented. Look at that. Are you kidding me? That is so pigmented. The last palette is the Tropic palette, and this one I've seen on their Instagram stories, so I'm glad that I got this. So this is how it looks. Super cute. They were selling this for Mother's Day. Oh wow. I'm like, okay, this is it. No, like, you put it down and it has way more stuff here. Okay, so it comes with 6 eyeshadows and 2 blushes, 2 bronzers, and 2 highlighters. So let me open this up, and then it comes with this sheet to cover it up. So this is how it looks. Ooh. Let me swatch that highlight shade. Oh, they feel so buttery. They're very buttery and creamy. Like, okay, let me swatch it right here. Oh my gosh. That one is a little bit like, there's some chunks to it, but super, super pigmented. Like, super buttery. They're just so soft, the formula. But that's pretty. I don't think I'll be able to wear that shade as a highlight, but this one, yes, most definitely. Ooh. Y'all are sleeping on City Color. They're so affordable. And the fact that this is the formula that they're putting out, like, why not try it? Oh my gosh, look at that shade. This is St. Bart's. And wow. And this one is Fiji. This blue right here. Wow, that's so nice. Definitely gonna be doing some looks with this as well. So excited. Thank you so much to City Color Cosmetics for sending this all over to me. Like, I'm so excited. You don't understand. I'm so excited to try everything out. Like, I have so much to play with, so much to show you guys. You guys really don't understand how great this company is, and I love that they are affordable. And even if they were selling something like a product for $20, I would definitely still pick it up because they're such great formula. They don't disappoint me. I've tried their stuff out for years now, and the fact that now I'm getting PR from them is so amazing. So the last brand that sent over a product to me is from Duvolle, and it did come with a box, but it got messed up, and I have to clean off this because I don't know what happened during shipping that it got dirty. So I'm definitely gonna have to wipe that down. But it comes with 4 head brushes, like the actual attachment. So this one is for like the body, this one is for like your feet if you wanted to you know, exfoliate your feet and stuff, and then this one is like the exfoliate head, and this is like your everyday head brush. So I'm definitely gonna be doing a video on this. I already own one, but the fact that they sent me another one, I'm just so happy because that means like I get new head brushes and stuff like that. Thank you so much to each and every company for sending me their products and for me to try out, especially like brand new products that hasn't even probably hit websites yet. And if they did, they did. But I'm so excited to try everything out, and I can't wait to film for the next few weeks to show you what I have been receiving and trying out and everything like that. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I also want to thank you guys because if it isn't for you, I wouldn't be even getting anything from companies, or they wouldn't even notice me. And the fact that you guys actually encourage me to post a lot more now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I really gladly appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and see more of what's coming up. If you want to see any future videos, especially me showing any of this, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you could be notified when I post, so that way you don't miss out when I post and everything. And yeah, follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter. I definitely will appreciate that. I love talking to you guys. I love engaging with you in my stories and my content of my photos and everything like that. So I will gladly appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.